Uh-oh. Our compost pile is getting little. We're gonna have to go see our poop dealer. What's going on, everybody? It's Cam with Easy Work Acres, and today we are going to take a ride out to Cope's Hope Farm today to get some manure. So basically, they have been helping to provide us with manure and stuff for our garden since about the beginning of last year. They've been a super supportive family, and we really appreciate them for linking up with us and providing manure for us. We just bring them out some eggs, some vegetables and stuff from the garden and stuff in trade for a little manure. But I wanted the opportunity for Eric to kind of show what they do at their farm. So we're gonna check out their place. He'll give a little explanation of what they do out there, and then we'll take a look at this beautiful horse farm that they have out there. Look at all that garden gold right there. All right, Eric's got us all loaded up with manure, so we're gonna be heading up to his barn to talk to him and get to meet some of the horses. All right, guys, so this is Eric here. So he is one of the owners here at Cope's Hope Farm, and he's going to tell a little bit about what they do here.
At Cope's Hope Farm, what we do is we do equine assisted services, and so we actually have kids that have special needs, and we give them opportunities for experiences with horses. Specifically, we do some mental health counseling with clients, so we do children and adults. So we don't discriminate based on any age. We work with our horses here, one of which is making some noise in the stall over here.
It's hungry. Horse.
Hungry horse. And but we have a herd of 5, and we use our indoor riding arena for therapeutic riding. We do our groundwork right here in this barn with clients. We work with Secret Service. We work with school groups. We work with a lot of groups that are just looking for an experience with a horse. And it doesn't have to be riding, but part of what we do is we have a lot of manure too. And it's organic, and so we like to give it to people like you, an Easy Acre Farm, so that you guys can use it to help people have good food, organic. Our family's always been about organic food, so we're glad to help you guys out too.
We appreciate it. We appreciate being able to stop in and get manure. Share a little bit of the eggs, and we brought some vegetables with us today.
Oh man, that's even better.
Yeah.
So we appreciate it. Cam, you got a beautiful family here. I always like to see your kids and when they come out, and so glad to do this for you guys. Yeah. She does therapy like a rock star.
20 years old.
Yeah. She's an American paint horse, and he's an American quarter horse.
She's beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, is that the
she see, yes, they have interior eyelids. She likes to get her pressure released too.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that feels so good. Oh, yes, that feels so good.
And a horse, like, when they do that, it kind of releases those endorphins. And you'll see, they have interior eyelids too. Did you see the white window?
Yeah.
So they're pretty amazing animals. And have been around humans forever. So it's kind of in their nature to be around humans. She was kind of going feral because she was out in the pasture without really getting work for a long time. And we got her back in. She's like, oh, I love it. There's her teeth.
So do you have ones that are just in the pasture and then ones you use for therapy, or
just one only? Yeah.
It says Penny.
And this is called a forelock, and I'm just doing a forelock hold.
Yeah, good job, buddy.
Be led by their forelock.
She's
trained to be led by her forelock, so I can actually take her out. Not whoa, but I've taken her out many, many times just by that.
Okay, so we are all loaded up, and we are about to pull out of here and get this manure back to the farm and unload it. Super awesome trip to see Eric today. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed this so far. Well, change of plans. Did some recent work to my truck, and I blew the fuse that goes to my 4x4, so I can't switch it on, and my back tire is stuck in a rut. So I guess Eric will be coming right back to help me get out of this. All right, now we're heading home. All right, we're home with our load. Time to get this manure off the trailer with the tractor. And then I'm gonna have to get in there with the shovel, of course. So we are all restocked up, all thanks to Cope's Hope. So hopefully you enjoyed the ride out to Cope's Hope Farm. Eric's a super nice guy. Him and his wife have been working really hard to build their farm up from the ground up. And they are a great operation to go check out. So if you happen to want to check out therapy riding or anything like that, make sure you go give them a visit. They have a Facebook page and everything. You can get connected with them and go check their place out. So that's all I got for you. Hopefully you like this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.